go. Hello, guys! Oh, did you turn it off? Don't turn it off.
But I said red.
Wait.
Red is off. Red is off.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Don't take it off na. Don't touch it na. Don't press it.
Guys,
Okay.
welcome to the video.
1, 2, 3, ready?
Hey guys.
Hello,
Hey
guys!
guys, welcome to the video.
Welcome to our vlog! I'm Jazz. I'm Mommy Jazz. And
I'm Chloe the friend of myself.
today, guys, samahan nyo kaming mag-unbox kasi may nagpadala sa atin ng big package. Diba? So big. Kunin lang namin, guys. Let's go!
Let's go.
Dali. Oh! Go there, go there. Go. Ito siya. Ang laki, diba? Grabe.
Let's go crazy. We at the
Papachapachi. Yeah, it's okay. Dance. Papachapachi. Oh, let's go na. So, eto guys. Kita nyo naman, sobrang laki nito, diba? So, can you help me this one?
Yeah.
Unbox na natin to guys. Oh, here po. Cut mo na. Wait lang. Mommy will cut muna. Woo! Yeah! Happy. Wow! Nakikita ko na guys kung saan siya galing. So, it's from Clean Fan! Thank you so much, Clean Fan! Sa mga di nakakaalam, guys, ang Clean Fan is a brand for baby stuff like diaper, wipes. Basta lahat ng kailangan nyo for babies, ayan, meron yan sa Clean Fan. Come here, Indo. Come here. So, ngayon, titingnan natin, guys, kung ano itong mga pinadala nila sa akin. Especially kay Chloe. Wow! Woo! What's that? So many. Oh, first on the list, we have Clean Fan Antibacterial Baby Laundry Detergent. Oh, look at this. Show it to the camera. Wow! Next.
This one.
What's that? It's a Clean Fan Battle Nipples. Hindi na to dumidede. Oh, baka magpamigay tayo dyan. Abang-abang guys. Pamimigay natin yan sa mga nagbe-breastfeed dyan or may mga babies out there. We have fabric conditioner. Oh, this one muna. Show it to the camera. Say fabric conditioner.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, let's put it here. Next. Oh, meron tayo guys refill ng complete baby body wash. Guys, gamit to ni Chloe nung baby pa siya. Napakaganda din ito, guys. Try nyo na rin.
Another one.
Ito, guys, meron ding refill ng Active Boys Kids Shampoo. Ang bango nito, guys. Kahit sa kanya, ginagamit ko rin to kasi napaka-fresh ng amoy. And ito yung favorite namin, yung Active Girls Kids Shampoo. Favorite ni Chloe. Ang bango niyan all day. And we have Baby Bottle, ayan! Isa sa mga papag-giveaway pa rin natin to kasi nga, hindi na to nag-battle si Chloe. So, abang-abang mga subscribers. Ayan, mag-follow na kayo and i-share nyo tong video na to kasi papag-giveaway din natin to sa mga mommies na may babies out there. And we have 108 sheets, Clean Fan Baby Wipes na lavender. Favorite! Yan o. Ito guys, yung bottle nila guys. Yung kanyang pinakita ko is the refill. Ayan. So, dami. Diba?
I can't reach that.
Oh, this one. More wipes pa tayo, mga guys. Ayan, lavender. Isa to sa mga bagong scent nila and isa din to sa mga favorite ko kasi super bango niya. And with aloe vera na rin yan, ah. Wow! More wipes. Oh, ayan na, may hinatak na siya. What is that?
That boy.
Wow! Show it to there. Is there a diaper? Say thank you, Clean Fan.
Thank you, green pants.
Louder.
Thank you, green pants.
Wow! So we have, 3XL ito. 2XL ng si Chloe. Okay. And we have again. Okay.
We have another one.
So daming diapers. Yay! May stock na si Chloe. Thank you so much, Clean Fan. And we have mga baby wipes na 108 sheet nito with in baby scent. So happy. I'll put it there muna. So dami. Grabe. Oh, baka mahulog. Wait, let's put it here. Excuse me. And ito pa guys, more wipes pa tayo. What else do you see?
More, wait.
More wipes.
Oopsies.
Ayan! So lastly, ito guys, meron tayong baby wipes na unscented. Yan, perfecto sa mga newborns, guys. So may mga sensitive skin. Ayan na, we're all done. Tada! Yay! Thank you so much, Clean Fan!
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay na to. Thank you so much, Clean Fan! Oh, show your dance. Say thank you to Clean Fan. Thank you, Clean Fan. Thank you, Clean Fan. Thank you, Clean Fan. Thank you. Oh, man!
We're coming down.
Oh, man.
Thank you, green pants.
Oh, hold it and say thank you. No, just like this.
Thank you, green pants.
So mga mamis na subscriber ko dyan, share nyo na tong video na to at magpapag-giveaway tayo ng some of this, lalo na sa mga may baby dyan. And don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell, and that's it! Abang-abang sa mga videos natin, sa pag-giveaways natin. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Follow nyo
Bye-bye.
rin ako sa social media ko, Justin Creates, sa IG, FB, and TikTok.
TikTok.
Don't you? Oh, mawi-wawi. Just to get back. Sa sing. We, the mawi-wawi. Bye-bye, guys!
Bye-bye, guys.